Hi, my name is Japman My project is on Fibonacci series based virtual machine selection for load balancing in cloud computing. First is the introduction to cloud computing. It is a process of reassigning the total load to the individual nodes to make resource utilization effective and to improve the response time of the job. Removing a condition in which some of the nodes are overloaded while some others are underloaded. This is the main problem in load balancing. There are some important parameters to consider. First is the estimation of load, comparison of load, stability of different system, performance of the system, etc. Now the scope of my project. The first part deals with the detailed study of the load balancing techniques and their comparison. Second, comparison and analysis of load balancing algorithms. That is, we have used static round robin and weighted round robin. Third is the proposal of an efficient load balancing algorithm. And fourth is implementation analysis of results. So basically the main focus of the project is to increase the performance of the system by the proper utilization of virtual machines. So that's why a load balancing technique is proposed. This flowchart is of the proposed algorithm. First, the algorithm starts. After that, we have to enter the number of cloudlets and the virtual machines. Then there's a condition that the number of virtual machines should be less than the number of cloudlets. If it is not the case, then it gives an error. Otherwise, it proceeds with the algorithm and it asks us to select the algorithm. So we can select out of static round robin and improved weighted round robin. And at the end we get the analysis and results of the load and the execution time as a bar chart. Also, I will show this to you as a live project after this presentation. The techniques and tools used in static round robin, it works randomly, and the selection of the virtual machines are done at random. There is a list which is processed at the virtual machine. The limitation of this process is that where the request load significantly increases or decreases, it cannot distribute the load efficiently. So then comes our technique, improved weighted round robin. So it allocates the jobs to the most suitable virtual machine based on the virtual machine's information like the processing capacity, etc. And with this we can avoid loops, and also we have integrated Fibonacci sequence with this. It is a resource saving mechanism, and so there are less number of virtual machines which are utilized, and also the problem of under or overutilization is solved. Next is we will go through the project. First I run the project. Now we enter the number of cloudlets. For example, we take 50 cloudlets, and then we enter the number of virtual machines, for example 5 virtual machines. Then we have to initialize the resources so that it can pick up the resources properly, and then we select the algorithm. For example, if I select the static round robin and then I click on perform analysis, I will get these results which are shown to you on the screen. First is the bar chart. This is to show the load on each virtual machine using a static round robin. We can see that all the 5 virtual machines, a number from 0 to 4, are underutilization. Second is that this is the execution time using static round robin. You can see this bar chart, and then we can compare this with the other improved algorithm. And also we get the relation between the cloudlets, that is which cloudlet has what children and what parent associated with it. Now if I use the weighted round robin algorithm and then I perform analysis, we can clearly see that in the first bar chart, which shows the load on each VM, we can see that only the first 3 virtual machines are being utilized. The last 2 are not being utilized. So here resource saving takes place. After that, in this bar chart, we can see that there is a lot of improvement in the execution time as compared to the static one. And also again, it gives the relation between the cloudlets, that is the children and parent. So our improved algorithm outperforms the static algorithm by providing resource saving and also by decreasing the load on each of the virtual machines. Thank you so much for watching my video.